Good morning, dear students. Myself Kanhiya, and today, in continuation of the lecture of semiconductor, I will start a very important topic, that is optoelectronic device. Optoelectronic device means all those electronic device which is working on the basis of light. Opto means light. So all those devices which will work on the principle of light is known as optoelectronic device. First, in this we will study photodiode, and then after we will study light emitting diode. So the first that we will study, that is photodiode. Photodiode. Okay. So all the discussion that right now I will do will consist of photodiode. So what is photodiode? Try to understand. Photodiode means a PN junction. Diode means a PN junction, and on the PN junction, if there will be light. So what is actually photodiode? Photodiode is a device. Photodiode is a device which will convert light energy into electrical energy. So input में we will give light, and in the output we expect electrical energy. What is photodiode? It is simply a device which will convert light energy into electrical energy. We know that light is a form of energy, and electricity is also a form of energy, and we know that we can convert one energy into another energy. So we will give light energy as the input, and it will convert into electrical energy. So the first point is photodiode converts light energy into electrical energy. Clear? So this is a device which will convert light energy into electrical energy. I hope this is clear. Now see that how it will happen, how photodiode will convert light energy into electrical energy. Let us understand that one. This is p-type. In p-type, what will be there? Hole will be majority charge carrier and electron will be minority charge carrier. In n-type, electron will be majority and hole will be minority charge carrier. Right? Now this is depletion region. What is this? This is depletion region. What is depletion region? Depletion region is a region where there is no any free charge particle. But there is no any free charge particle, but there is atom. There is neutral atom. There is neutral atom. So in depletion region there is only neutral atom. There is no any free charge particle. Why? Because depletion region, in the theory lecture of depletion region, I explained it that when electron will recombine with hole, then net effect will be cancelled, and there will be a region where there is no any free charge. That means all the charge will be depleted. That is depletion region. So in this region there is no any free charge, but there is atom. There is neutral atom. So if light will hit neutral atom, if light will hit any atom, what is happening? This is atom, and on this atom light is going. So light is going, so light has energy, no? Light has how much energy? E is equal to h nu. This you will study in modern physics, that h is Planck constant and nu is frequency of light. What is this nu? This is frequency of light. Because each and every light has a particular frequency. Blue color will have different frequency, red color will have different frequency. So this is frequency of light. What is h? This is Planck constant. Planck constant. What is the value of this? 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34, I think. Yeah, joule second. 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Okay. So when we will give energy to any atom, what will happen? When we will give energy to any atom, atom will absorb the energy. Atom will absorb the energy, and in physics we know that if anyone will absorb energy, then the system will become unstable. For example, suppose if I will give you 1 crore rupees right now, then you will absorb that 1 crore rupees, and now you will become unstable. You will start thinking, what should I do? Or if anyone will take all the money from me, what will happen? So if you will absorb energy, then you will become unstable. Like that, if atom will absorb energy, then atom will become unstable, and when atom will become unstable, then electron will be free from it. What will happen? Electron will be free from it, it on, and when electron will be free, then a hole will be generated, right? So what will happen, that when we will give energy to an atom, when we will give energy to an atom, then atom will absorb energy, and after absorbing energy, any system will become unstable and electron will become free and hole will be generated. So when this energy will hit the depletion region, so in the depletion region there is atom, and when atom will receive that energy, then atom of the depletion region will become unstable and electron and hole will be generated. What will happen? Electron and hole will be generated, because there is silicon atom now. You have seen silicon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. So suppose that if light will come here, electron will be free, and on the place of electron a hole will be generated. So electron hole pair will be generated, and here see the combination, that in the depletion region positive charge will be here, negative will be here, and depletion region electric field will be where? This is the electric field direction in the depletion region. I have explained it in earlier videos. You can watch that one first, then you will understand it better. That electric field due to depletion region, what is the direction of electric field? Positive to negative. So this is electric field due to the depletion region, inverse direction, this region. Now see that how we are connected, how we have connected this. This P is connected with negative terminal, P is connected with negative terminal, and N is connected with positive terminal. So this is reverse bias or forward bias. Reverse, P with negative, N with positive, this is reverse. So this device is connected in reverse bias. This is one of the most important points. So you must have to note it, that photodiode is connected in reverse bias mode. Okay, then what will happen? This electric field due to cell will be positive to negative. This is positive, this is negative. So electric field due to the cell will be positive to negative, this direction, and electric field due to the depletion is also in this direction. So electric field due to the depletion as well as electric field due to the cell, both are in same direction. So both are in same direction. So what will happen? When the energy will hit the atom, then atom, from the atom electron will be free, and when electron will be free, a hole will be generated, and just when electron and hole will be generated, then this depletion region and this electric field due to the cell, these two electric field will come in action. जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन और होल फ्री होगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू द सेल एंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू द डिप्लीशन रीजन, बोथ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल कम इन एक्शन. एक्शन में क्या आएगा? दैट वी नो दैट इफ देयर इज एनी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, we know if there is any electric field, and if I will place any positive charge in the electric field, then this positive charge will experience a force F equal QE in the same direction of electric field. But if I will place any negative charge in the electric field, then this charge will also experience a force F is equal to QE, but in the opposite direction of field. So electron is negative charge and hole is positive charge. So here will be electron also, and here will be hole also. So electron will move in the opposite direction of field. So field direction is this. So electron will go in here and hole will go here, because hole will move in the same direction of field. So this is field. So hole will move here, electron will move in this direction. Electron is moving in this direction. So current will be generated in this direction. So a current will be generated. A current will be generated in the circuit. What will happen? A current will be generated in the circuit. So how current is generating? When in the input I am giving light. Due to this light, electron will be free, and when the electron will be free, this electric field due to the cell will help the electron to move, and when electron will move, a current will be generated, and this is our expectation, that I will give light and we want current. This is photodiode, right? So it works in reverse bias mode. In depletion region there is only neutral atom. Photon excite atom present in depletion region. Photon means, photon is actually what? Photon is a packet of energy, and that packet of energy is how much? E equal h nu. So photon excite atom present in depletion region, and it converts into electron hole pair. Before electron and hole recombine, they are separated by the field which is present across depletion region. This field helps charged particle to move, so it makes a current. So this is the principle of photodiode. I think it is clear. Now try to understand that how it will work. What is the application of it? Okay. If you want to understand the application of it, Let's see here. Okay. Suppose here is a source of infrared. Here is a source of, so from here infrared rays coming, and here is, let's say, photodiode. So infrared is also a energy. That means it is a energy. It will have energy H equal E equal H nu. And when this energy will come, photodiode can sense. And photodiode can sense when the light will fall on photodiode. When the light will fall on photodiode, photodiode will start making current. Photodiode will start making current. Okay, तो कितना बार ये करंट बनाया? We can count. How many times this is making current? We can count. For that, in electronics we have counter. We have counter that we can count that how many times they are making current. We can count that how many times they are. We can count that how many times they are making current. Okay. Okay. So for that there is a counter. For example, suppose we want to count notes. We want to count notes. So if you will visit in bank now, they will put 1000 notes of 500 UP. If suppose they will put 1000 notes of 500 UP, how they will count this much note? They will place inside a machine, and machine will start processing. एक नोट आया, दूसरा नोट आया, then third note will come, fourth note will come, and then what will happen? Every time जब एक नोट आएगा, every time when a note is coming, what will happen? Here is infrared and here is photodiode. So हर बार लाइट जाएगा. Every time जितना बार ये लाइट को ब्लॉक करेगा, when a note will come, light will block. तो लाइट जैसे ब्लॉक होगा तो काउंटर विल काउंट. एक बार लाइट ब्लॉक हुआ, वंस लाइट विल ब्लॉक, काउंटर विल काउंट 1. अगेन सेकेंड नोट विल कम, दिस नोट विल अगेन ब्लॉक द लाइट, सो काउंटर विल काउंट 2. अगेन थर्ड नोट विल कम, अगेन थर्ड नोट विल ब्लॉक द लाइट, काउंटर विल काउंट 3. तो ऐसे ही वो दिस प्रोसेस इज एक्चुअली वेरी फास्ट. So we can count notes like that. Barilla alarm is also working. That how Barilla alarm will work? For example, suppose here is the gate, and on the gate what will happen? If there is any soap or there is any organization, then on the main gate what I will do? On the main gate here, let's say here is any photodiode, and here is light. From here we will give infrared. Infrared you can't see. Even if any thief will come, then thief can't see that any infrared is coming because it is invisible light. And when the light will go here, then this photodiode can sense. And if anyone will come, if suppose any thief is coming here, if suppose any thief is coming in between the gate, then what will happen? This light can't cross it. And if the light can't cross it, that means this photodiode can sense that there is no any current. And if there will be no any current, then this photodiode will give a automatic signal to the alarm, and then your alarm will ring, or they can send a message to the owner or to the police station that someone has entered in the organization. Okay, so we can understand like this. Now we will study LED. Now what we will study? LED. So this was photodiode. light emitting diode. What we will understand? Light emitting diode, that means LED. Understand about it? In this light emitting diode, what will happen? Again, we will take a PN junction. In P cap, what is it there? Hole will be majority charge and electron will be minority charge. Here electron will be minority charge and hole will be majority charge. Here in LED we will connect it into forward bias mode. How we will connect LED? We will connect it. First understand what is the function of LED. That it is a device. It is a device which will convert electrical energy into light energy. So this is reverse process of that one. It is a reverse process of photodiode, and we will give electrical energy and we want light energy. How we will connect this? It is connected in forward biased mode. It is connected in forward biased mode. Forward biased mode means P with positive and N with negative. So P with positive terminal and N side with negative terminal. We will connect like this. If this will happen, then what will be there? So positive will be here, negative will be here. This is positive, so this will be positive. This is negative, so this will be negative. Electric field due to the cell will be in this direction. Electric field is always from positive to negative. So this is positive, this is negative. So electric field due to the cell will be in this direction. So this will be the electric field due to the cell. This is electric field due to the cell. And this is depletion region. So here will be positive. And here will be negative. This is electric field due to depletion. But always remember that electric field due to the depletion is very weak. So electric field due to the cell will dominate. Now see what will happen. That here doping is very high. Right? This point is also important. We will do high concentration of doping. High concentration of doping. High concentration of doping means mixing impurity in measured quantity. So we will mix impurity in high quantity. So if there is high concentration of doping, that means there is a lot of charged particle. There is lot of charged particle. Now what will happen? Let's suppose that if there is lot of charged particle and this is forward bias mode, so in forward bias mode, this positive will repel this positive, this hole is also positive nature, and this is also positive, and this negative will repel this negative because this is electron, this is negative nature. So what will happen? Like a force will act like this. So positive will repel positive and negative will repel negative. So depletion region width will decrease. What will happen? The width of the depletion region will decrease. So depletion region will come like this. It will come closer, and when the depletion region width will decrease, what can happen? That now the charged particle can easily jump. हमने क्या बोला था? If the depletion region width is very less, then what will happen? This charged particle can easily jump. So electron can jump here, and hole can jump in this side. So electron and hole will start recombining to each other. यहाँ क्या होगा? Electrons and holes will recombine with each other. And when electron and hole will recombine with each other, then it will become stable. पहले क्या होता था कि in earlier I have seen कि this was atom. Atom में हम लोग एनर्जी देते थे. We were giving energy to the atom and atom after receiving energy इससे इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज हो जाता था. राइट? आफ्टर गिविंग एनर्जी एटम से इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज हो जाता था और करंट बनाता था. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, नाउ दिस इज एटम एंड व्हेन now what will happen, there is any hole and electron will come here and it will recombine, and after recombining what will happen, there is any free electron, it will come and it will recombine with hole. After recombining it will become stable, and after becoming stable someone will release energy. When actually what is happening in physics, that if you will absorb energy you will become unstable, and if you will release energy you will become stable. So when electron will recombine with the hole, then the system will be stable, so it will release energy. So it will release energy in the form of light. It will release energy in the form of light from the depletion region. So what will happen, electron and hole will recombine with each other and energy will be released. So that it, why electron and hole are recombining here, because depletion region width is very less, width of the depletion region is very less, so it will recombine with each other. So that it, here recombination of electron and hole take place. What will happen? Recombination of electron and hole take place because width of depletion region decrease due to forward biasing. When electron and hole will recombine, it will become stable and release energy in the form of light, But here is a condition that we can't see all light. We can't see, because infrared we can't see, X-ray we can't see. We can see only visible region. Visible region means we can see only vacuole. That means if Forbidden energy gap, write it. If Forbidden energy gap is greater than equal to 1.8 electron volt, then only we can see visible light. That means what will happen? For example, suppose this is valence band, this is conduction band. This is conduction band, this is valence band. So conduction band is at higher energy level and valence band is at lower energy level. So when it will come from conduction band to valence band, so higher energy to lower energy level. So when it will jump from higher energy level to lower energy level, it will gain stability and then it will release energy. And when it will release energy, and if this energy will be greater than or equal to 1.8 electron volt, then only we can see that energy. So then only that light will be visible to us. So if the Poisson energy gap will be greater than, what is Poisson energy gap? Difference between conduction band and valence band. So when the Poisson energy gap is greater than or equal to 1.8 electron volt, then only we can see the light. And whenever I am making any LED bulb, then we want to see that light. No? If suppose there is a bulb and we can't see that light, then what is the need of making that bulb? So we want to see that light. That means we can see only when this is visible light. That means it is from waveguide, and LED can be of different color. That is depending on their frequency. So when the Poisson energy gap is greater than or equal to 1.8 electron volt, then only we can see the light. So Poisson energy gap must be greater than or equal to 1.8 electron volt. Is it clear? Now we will come to the application purpose. Application. Application means where we will application it is used in LED bulb. In LED bulb. Then after application, right, advantage of LED. Advantage of LED. So what are the advantage of LED bulb? Advantage of LED. Write the advantage. It requires low operational voltage. So we don't need to give a high voltage in this. At very low voltage it can operate. It consumes less power. Right, third. It has fast action, that means it is not slow. Long life. It has long life because it has no any filament, so that it can fuse. Fast on off. You can do fast on off. Right? No warm up time. You know, initially in the stadium, cricket stadium or football stadium, there used to be a vapor light. So in that, if the filament was taking some time to warm up, and when the filament will warm up, then only it will give light. But in LED, there is no any requirement of warm up. Directly give the switch and the light will glow. Okay? I hope you have understand. Thank you.